ஹலோ
Novel coronavirus disease spread can be stopped. Always cover mouth with handkerchief or tissue while coughing and sneezing. Wash your hands with soap frequently. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Keep at least 1 meter distance and avoid close contact with anyone with cough, fever or difficulty in breathing. If required, visit nearest health facility or contact helpline number 011-239-78046.
டேய் இது சைதாப்பேட்டை நம்பர்ரா.